Hey guys, welcome back to week 7 of our holiday home challenge. We're over halfway there. This week it's all about gift giving, which is exciting because it's almost Black Friday, or if you don't leave the house, like me, it's almost Cyber Monday, so it's the perfect time to get organized before we start shopping. Inside your holiday home guide, you're going to find my gift giving guide. You don't have to follow this exactly, but let me tell you, this format works because not only do you have a spot to put all the people that you want to buy for, but a list of different shopping ideas, a budget to keep you on budget, but the stores where they sell things. I find that this helps with my ADHD, so if I'm at Best Buy, I'm like, okay, I'm picking up something for my brother, but oh yeah, my nephew also needs something from Best Buy. So I'm not constantly going to other stores all over the place. I'm focused, I'm laser focused. I have my budget, I have my plan, and it saves me a ton of time on shopping. I'm going to put a link down below if you haven't had the holiday guide, or if you just want the editable PDF or the one-page gift giving guide, you can find it down below. If you're a person who would rather have their gift giving organized electronically, there is a cool app called Santa's Bag. It's totally free. This is not a sponsored post, but it's an app. It's really technical where you can add all the people you want to buy for. You can put links to products, put in your budget. It tracks everything for you on your phone. It's free. It's a little intense. But if you are a bee or a cricket and you love getting really detailed and micro, this app is probably for you. Speaking of apps, Flip. Flip is a must when you're Christmas shopping. It's F-L-I-P-P. I'll put a link down below to this app. Again, it's not sponsored. I just love this app. I use it all the time for grocery shopping, but this time of year, if you know you want to buy something, maybe it's a video game or an iPad, something that you're looking for, you can search all of your local flyers in one spot. It also has a spot for a wish list. So we know what we want to get the kids, we can put it in and then scroll through every week to see when it's on sale, and it sends you an alert if something does come up that's on sale, that's on your wish list. So I just love this app so much. It's great for price matching, it's great for organizing, and it's great for saving money. This next tip I heard a couple of years ago and I use it every year. It's a mini dollar store stapler. I keep this in my purse, and when I'm buying something, I ask for the gift receipt and I immediately staple it to the tag or to the box so I don't have to worry about keeping track of gift receipts. And then I just wrap up the gift and the person has the receipt. They don't have to ask me for it. They don't have to tell me if they don't like it. This is like a lifesaver. I also use this for my own clothing. So when I buy a shirt at the mall, I'll staple the receipt to the tag so I never have to worry about keeping track of the receipt. $1. Super handy. Speaking of keeping track of receipts, there's a couple of options here for organizing your Christmas receipts if you don't want to staple everything together. The first one that I love to use is just a dollar store pencil case in my purse where I shove all the receipts together, macro style, no real sorting. This works really well for me. But I also love this idea. It's having a notebook so you can write lists or notes, and attached to the notebook, it has a pocket for your receipts to go. So especially if you're really into budgeting, you can keep track of your budget and have the receipts all in one place. And this is from the dollar store too. And last but not least, this dollar store organizer, it allows you to get very detailed. You could have one pocket for each store or one pocket for each family member and really sort your receipts in a very, very detailed way, again, for only $1. So before you start your holiday shopping, make sure that you're really organized, that you have a budget, that you've mapped out all the people you have to buy for and gift ideas for each person so that you're prepared to save money and time when shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. For those of you who don't know, I'm coming to New York in January. So if you live in New York or the tri-state area, I'm looking for 12 families to do an organizing makeover for. So we already have a few amazing families chosen, but we have a few spots left. If you need help organizing your kitchen or redoing a bedroom or any space in your home that you're struggling, I am coming to help you. I really want you guys to apply. Just send photos of your space to castingclutterbugs@gmail.com. I'm hoping it's one of you guys. Not only do I want to meet you, but I also want to help people that I can that I've been talking to. You know what I mean? We're friends. I don't have a lot of other people I talk to. So even though you're not right in the room, I still feel like we have a connection. And so it would be amazing if it was one of you guys. I'll put the link down below to the email. Just send some photos of the space. Fingers crossed. I get to see you guys in the new year. See you in the next video.